This is the track on our back porch that my fiance built for his little rally car. It's actually quite intricate. Groomed with water made of ice. Maybe this can become a tradition here, our Christmas car racing here. Oh, it appears the rally car's stuck. Here comes a retrieval by Dan, and it's off to the races again. Oh, another quick wipeout retrieval.
Wow, this thing is fast. Adorable.
It can obviously take a beating.
Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive vehicle. Okay, that's enough. I think that's enough.